Welcome everyone. Well, I'm excited to take you on the journey through the world of introductions to phonology. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Ridha Mudrika and I'm from class 3B. So, what is phonology? Phonology is the study of the sound patterns of language. It is concerned with the ways in which speech sounds functions within a particular language or languages. Phonology involves the study of the sound patterns, rules, and structures that govern the way sounds are used to convey meaning in a given language. For example, what if I ask you to bring me a bottle of water? Or it's water? Or maybe it's a water? Everything is the same and all of it is right, but the difference lies only in the pronunciation's accents. All of the sounds or hand shapes of a language can be produced differently depending on the context. Different languages and accents have their own variations. This pattern and the study of them is known as phonology. Phonology and phonetics are closely related each other, but you may not get confused about those two things. Phonetics is the study of how sound can be formed using several parts of the body, such as lips, teeth, tongue, pharynx, and lungs. Phonetic only discusses the relations between body parts that produce sounds. Meanwhile, phonology is the study of a system in a language that is related to the way a language is pronounced. The next is key aspect of phonology include the first one is phonemes. These are the basic units of sounds in a language that can distinguish one word from another. For example, in English, the sound P and B or P and B are phonemes because they can change the meaning of a word as in pat and bat. Pat and bat. The second one is allophones. These are variant pronunciations of a phoneme that do not change the meaning of a word. For instance, the aspirated and unaspirated pronunciations of the English sounds P in pat and spat are allophones. The third one is phonology rules. Phonology studies the rules that govern how sounds are pronounced in a particular language. These rules may include how sounds change based on their positions in a word, adjacent sounds, or other linguistic factors. The fourth is prosody. This refers to the rhythm, intonations, and stress patterns of speech. Prosody plays a crucial role in conveying meaning and expressing emotions. The fifth is syllable structure. Phonology also examines how sounds are organized into syllables. Syllables are units of sound that typically include a vowel sound and may be accompanied by consonant sounds. And the last is phonological processes. These are systematic patterns of sounds change that occur in the pronunciations of words. Examples include assimilations, where sounds become more similar to nearby sounds, and elision, the omissions of sounds. Vowels and consonant are two fundamental categories of speech sounds, and they play a crucial role in phonology. Vowels are speech sounds produced with an open vocal tract, allowing the free flow of air. They are typically characterized by the absence of any significant constrictions or obstructions of airflow. The example of vowels in English such as A, E, I, O, and U. Consonant are speech sounds produced with some degree of constrictions or obstructions of the airflow. Unlike vowels, consonants often work in conjunctions with vowels to form the more detailed articulation of speech. consonant can be classified based on various articulatory features such as place of articulations, manner of articulations, and voicing. The example of consonant is all of the alphabet except the five vowels such as B, C, D, F, G, and the others. So, in conclusions, phonology is the study of how people mentally organize and use the sounds of a language. It explores the patterns and rules that govern the arrangement of speech sounds, helping us understand how sounds contribute to the structures and meaning of words and sentences in a systematic way. Well, it seems like we are at the end of the cliff. So, thank you all for joining me on these mini explorations of phonology. As we conclude our journey through the sounds and patterns that shape languages, I hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of human communications. For remember, phonology is not just about sounds, it's about the stories those sounds tell, the cultural nuances they convey, and the diverse ways they manifest across languages. Let's carry this newfound knowledge with us and continue to unravel the mysteries of language in our own unique ways. If you have any questions or thoughts, I'd love to hear them. Thank you once again for your time and attentions. Until next time, happy exploring and discovering the beauty of phonology in the languages that surround us. Have a great day, and let me have a bottle of water. Goodbye.